realizing the importance of these things, and you just now mentioned the most important part, nutrition, the yogic diet. So
Yes.
how would you explain that?
See, according to yogic sciences, the diet comprises of three parts.
Okay.
The constituents: Satvika Guna, Rajasika Guna, and Tamasika Guna. Now, everyone cannot have only Sattvic diet. Everyone cannot have only Tamasic diet. And you cannot have only Rajasic diet. Now, what are these Tamasic, Rajasic, Sattvic? I'll give you just example. What is Tamasic? If you eat stale food which is, absolutely kept in fridge maybe for last 5-7 days, and the vegetables, and they've dried up and they've lost all their rasa.
Yeah.
So that type of food has lost all the food value, at the same time the yogic value to it. So that is called the tamasic food. What is rajasic? Too much of oily or spicy food. That is rajasic food. And what is sattvic? Absolutely, like sprouts. You have salads or you have fresh vegetables. That is sattvic foods.
Yeah.
अभी जो आपके आहार का जो तामसिक पोर्शन है, every type of food will have some tamasic portion attached to it, right? So the tamasic portion of the food helps to make the body, like individual organs, cells. वो कैसे बनते हैं? With the tamasic part of it. How is the rajasic, the portion of the food, helping the growth of the fetus? It helps to bring the karya shakti, or the energy or the enthusiasm with which the child is going to behave in later life. That is because of the rajogun of the food what the baby, rather the mother is consuming. Okay. And what is sattvic food doing? The sattvic portion makes the antakarana of the baby. Such a beautiful concept. Mana, buddhi, ahankar, chitta. The mind and the emotions, they are not seen. But how are they formed? They are formed by the sattvic portion of your food. So if you want your child to be a terrorist, you understand now what type of food you would eat. And if you want your child to be a saint, you know what type of food you would eat. So obviously, the majority of the portion of the food what you consume has to be sattvic. It has to be seemit, that is limited.
Right.
Don't overeat.
Yeah.
Have frequent meals, but don't overeat.
Right.
And it has to be santulit. That is balanced. Okay. Generally, for a pregnant girl, I say eat 7 colors in the day. Okay. That covers practically everything. All fresh vegetables, all pulses, and your salads, and everything is covered under that roof of 7 colors. So have 7 colors. Eat freshly prepared food. Freshly prepared means जो बना के 2 या 3 घंटा ज्यादा से ज्यादा हुआ है, इतना फ्रेश खाना आपको खाना है. या और तीसरी इम्पोर्टेंट चीज, कोई पैकेट खोल के कोई चीज मत खाना.
Right.
And that will have preservatives, that will have agents which are not good for absorption of the essential nutrients from your bowels. So that can cause constipation, rest of the product. So why eat that type of food? Very cool. So avoid it.
Yes, sir. One gynecologist had come and she very beautifully put it. Have the food of the plant, not from the plant. From the plant, she meant जो plants हमारे factories हैं. वहाँ का खाना मत खाइए, off the plant खाना खाइए.
Beautiful.
Yeah, she put it very nicely. Right? Yeah. बिल्कुल. So that is how you explain, which means कि एक चीज clarify I want. Like you said कि जो तामसिक खाना है, ये पार्ट को नर्चर करेगा. जो राजसी भोग है वो इस पार्ट को नर्चर करेगा, और सात्विक जो है वो इसको करेगा. तो जो सात्विक तो मेजर है. आई एम ट्राइंग टू से कि हमको कुछ प्रोपोर्शन में वो भी चाहिए.
You need to form the organs of the baby.
बिल्कुल.
तो ये तो हो ही नहीं सकता है कि आप तामसिक घटक कुछ भी ना खाओ. Like you'll have biscuit.
बिल्कुल.
For example, you'll have some bakery item.
Right.
तो obviously वो तो बनाए हैं कभी
Yeah.
4 दिन 6 दिन 1 महीना पहले, तो दैट इज तामसिक ओनली ना.
Okay.
तो you cannot avoid it completely,
Okay.
but majority of the diet
That
should
should
come
be sad.
correct.
Got it.
अगर आपको दाल बनानी है तो तड़का तो दोगे आप, थोड़ा तो मिर्च मसाला तो ऐड करोगे. So that is essential. I don't want you to eat absolutely tasteless
Yeah.
and bland food.
Right.
Because खाना जब आप खाते हो तो उसका टेस्ट, उसका स्मेल, उसका कैसे दिखता है, all these things add to your appetite, no,
Good.
and to your digestive capacity. तो वो संभाल के आपको ये देखना है कि आप ज्यादा से ज्यादा सात्विक की तरफ आपका ध्यान होना
Yeah.
चाहिए.
बिकॉज आजकल डॉक्टर्स ये सेंटेंस यूज करते हैं कि आपकी रिलेशनशिप आपके फूड के साथ क्या है विल डिफाइन योर नेचर इन फ्यूचर.
यथा
It's
अन्नम
not-
तथा मनः.
Exactly. And this is very important for everybody to understand that your relationship with your food
Correct.
is what is going to define you in future.
Correct.